Hey guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm gonna tell you that how you can install your PHP in your system and how you can set up your environment with PHP. In order to develop and run PHP web pages, three vital components need to be installed on your computer system. The first one is web server, the second one is database, and the third one is PHP parser. So now here I will tell you that how you can install the PHP. So to install PHP, I will suggest you to install AMP, which is Apache, MySQL, and PHP, which is a software stack. It is available for all operating systems, and there are many AMP available in the market. Like you use WAMP for Windows, LAMP for Linux, MAMP for Mac, SAMP for Solaris, and the Apache XAMPP, which is a cross-platform, so you can use anywhere you want. My recommendation is to use XAMPP as your web server. So our first thing is clear that we use XAMPP as the web server. So PHP will work with virtually all web server softwares, including Microsoft Internet Information, which is IIS, but then most often used here is Apache, as I just tell you, so you have to use Apache as the web server. And here you will find Apache as a web server. So apachefriends.org, which is a website to download Apache web server. So here three options are available. You can download Apache as a window, Apache XAMPP as the Linux, and Apache XAMPP as Mac operating system. Here I'm just running the Windows operating system, so I just click on this Windows operating system as the XAMPP, and here you can see that my XAMPP is downloading right here. So after downloading XAMPP, just double click on the downloaded file and allow XAMPP to make changes in your system. So a window will pop up where you have to click on the next button, as you can see on your screen. Then select the components which you want to install and then go to next. Here in this step, the XAMPP needed the local folder. So by default, the local disk folder here is C disk, and then the folder name here is XAMPP, and then you move ahead and click on next. After clicking on next, you will find the next screen here, and you just proceed with next button. After installing, you will find the finished button. So a finish window will display after successful installation, and just click on the finish button. After finish button, there are two language supports, which is German and English. Here you will find the XAMPP, so just click on start and start here. If you already install other SQL, so here you will find the port error. How to clear the port error? You just click on config and go to MyINI file. Here you will find that the port number. So just change your port number from 6 to 7 or anything you want. Now I will tell you that how you can change your port number, which is this port number 80. Before that, I was working with a MySQL port number. Now here you can see that you just go to Apache httpd config file, and here you just search on Ctrl F. By default port number here is 80, so you just leave this, and here you can see that this is a listen, so my port number here is 8080 because I'm just running 2 SQL. For that purpose my port number 80 is already booked. So if you want to change as a port 8080 or 8081, so you just change here. Okay, then you just find next, so just change here as well for the local host. So 2 times you have to change this port number, and then close your XAMPP and then start your XAMPP as well. Now just come back to Google Chrome. Here you will find adobe.com product, which is Dreamweaver. So Dreamweaver is not a free product, remember that. You just get the free trial version or you have to buy it. The Dreamweaver is a software which is designed for the web pages. These HTML web pages are fully featured. You will see is what you get interface for creating and editing the web pages. The Adobe Dreamweaver software supports many markup languages like HTML, XHTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It supports English, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Chinese, etc. The Dreamweaver was developed by Micromedia, and it was published in 1997. In 2005, the Adobe has purchased Dreamweaver and named it as Adobe Dreamweaver. My recommendation is to use Adobe Dreamweaver because it is fast, flexible in coding, set up your site, and few other steps. So it will also dynamic display on every device. It's provide the multi-monitor support, Git support, and lot of other options as well. How you can install this Adobe Dreamweaver, so you just click on this buy now. So I already have this Adobe Dreamweaver license. I am gonna use this. As you can see here, I have Dreamweaver CC 2019 set up as a 64-bit. So here just click on simply autoplay. You just click on install here, and then after clicking on install button, a new window will be appearing like this. You can see here, just simply provide the path here and click on continue, so your software here is installing. So I already have this Adobe Dreamweaver, so let's just run it. As you can see here, this is Adobe Dreamweaver CC 2019. So here you can see that this is a simple united file. How you gonna create this? Simply click on new, and here you will find the multi-linguistic support here, which is HTML, CSS, SCSS, JavaScript, PHP, and a lot of other options are available here. So I just click on PHP here and click on create. So after creating this, you will find this United 2 file here. So I just save this as the demo.php as extension name. So here you can see that this is a demo. So you can see here this is demo.php. Our third option here is bracket, which is totally free. You just simply click on download and install this. There are also a lot of options are available in brackets as well, so you can install the brackets and on brackets on the Linux operating system and the Windows operating systems as well. How you can download and install, let's just see. As you can see on your screen, so you just simply click on brackets download here. You can see here bracket download. After downloading this, you will find the windows like this. After clicking on next, so your software will be simply installing, and after installation you just click on finish button and you will find this screen like this. This is how you can install the bracket. So as you can see here that this is our technology stack, what we are going to use in this course. My recommendation is to install Adobe Dreamweaver with XAMPP, but if you do not want to purchase it, so here is a free options available, which is a bracket. Or you can use Notepad++ or Notepad. Thanks for watching. See you in next lecture.